He is?
Yeah, him go in.
Will they let little boys go?
Huh?
Will they let little boys like Brady go to karate?
Huh?
Will they let him go?
No. I'm not a peddler. I'm not a bee.
He's what?
I'm not eat baby food.
He doesn't eat baby food?
No.
What does he eat?
Chicken, fish fry, chicken nuggets, and chicken milk.
Oh.
On it. Him eat ice cream too. I eat ice cream, chips, and chicken nuggets, and chicken